Okay, so I am obsessed with this show called The Summer I Turned Pretty. I don't know how many Indians are watching this show, but yes, I'm watching it. And today I have written all the points to discuss with you all. First of all, I am a team Jeremiah, and suddenly the writer of the show is turning Conrad into a gentleman. See, I am reading all the things because I have written everything. So suddenly this writer is turning Conrad into a gentleman. He's taking care of Belly. He's making an effort when he is convenient. Don't forget, Conrad is making a move when he's convenient. When she was coming back to him, when she was expressing her feelings, he rejected her feelings. Don't forget season 1 and season 2. But season 3, writer is making Conrad a hero and Jeremiah a villain. I'll tell you how. See, he always expressed his feelings when he was convenient. And whoever is saying that Jeremiah cheated her, I don't support cheating at all. I'm an old school girl, so I don't support cheating. But how can you forget in the season 1 when she hurt Cameron, like Cam, for Conrad, and when Conrad rejected her feelings, she goes to Jeremiah. She accepted Jeremiah's feelings, and when Conrad comes to her, when he's convenient, when he comes back, he expressed his feelings. He said, "I love you," and then she cheats Jeremiah. So she hurt both Cameron and Jeremiah. So how can you forget those things when she cheated both the boys because of Conrad? So when Jeremiah cheated her back, I think Belly deserved it. It's her karma. So please don't cry victimizing Belly. Belly is the biggest red flag in this show. But yeah, I love all the characters. I love Taylor. I love Steven. I love everyone in the show. And most important, I love Susanna. She's no more in the show, but I love her, and I loved Laurel also. So yeah, coming back to these three, couples or whatever you say. So I'm Team Jeremiah because Belly, when she is with Jeremiah from the season 1 to season 3, she's always happy. She's always herself. She's always enjoying life. She's always laughing, smiling. There's always a smile on her face when she is with Jer. But when she was with Conrad, she was always confused. She was always, Conrad always made her think like love is very hard. It's not easy. So that's why I'm Team Jeremiah. I don't know about the end game. I think maybe writer's turning Conrad into a good man. So maybe they'll end up together like Belly and Conrad. But I still do support Jeremiah. So I'm a team.